Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI.
These are the Lodge Assist handles and they fit most Lodge cast iron cookware and dual handle pans. First, I really love the bright red color. It's really easy to find in my drawers, and the red, it gives a good reminder. Think red, hot pan, be careful. And I really love that it has a comfortable grip and it fits securely on my pots and pans. It will protect your hands from heat up to 450 degrees when handling cookware on the stovetop. And best of all, these assist handles are dishwasher safe, because let's be honest, who wants to wash another thing?
I'm really happy that I don't have to worry about burning my hands on my cast iron cookware, and that's my point of view.